How to use Chroma Key to remove the green screen on CapCut. Open the CapCut app. Tap on New Project, select your background video from your gallery. Tap on ADD after selecting your background. Tap on Overlay at the bottom of the screen, click on ADD Overlay, select your green screen video to add it on top of the background. Let's play them together. Select the overlay video or your green screen footage. In the timeline, scroll through the tools at the bottom and find the Remove Background option. Tap on Chroma Key, use the color picker tool to select the green color in your overlay video, adjust the intensity slider to increase or decrease how much of the green is removed. You can also use shadows to make it blend better with the new background. Adjust the position and size of your overlay video as needed. You can resize it by pinching or dragging with 2 fingers. Play back your project and CapCut to see how well the green screen effect has been applied once satisfied with your edits. Tap on Export to save your video.